Hey there, it's December, and of course, December is a month of jolliness, family, and a little bit of craziness. But this is no ordinary December because not only is it the end of a year, but it's the end of a decade. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you how to finish this year and start the new year with a bang. Hey, I'm Richard Butler, Director of Education here at PLR.me. And as I mentioned, this is a very special December. I'm going to talk about the first 3 weeks of December. And of course, I've got a Christmas special for you for the last week of December. This December is special because it's only every 10 years that we come to the end of a decade. Sorry to state the obvious. So now is an opportunity to talk to your tribe and tell them, let's end this year and let's start 2020 on an amazing note. So I'm going to talk about 4 holidays today. If this is your first time here, welcome. Make sure that you click subscribe and click on the little bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. Each and every month, we produce a content calendar, which shows you what holidays are coming up in that month, and we also show you the done-for-you content that you can use from the PLR.me resource library in order to engage your tribe and build your following. Now, there's a lot of holidays in December, but I'm going to focus on the following 4. First up, we have Giving Tuesday, then we have Letter Writing Day, followed by Human Rights Day and Underdog Day. So 4 very different holidays, and we're going to look at strategies to help you gain the most from these holidays. The Tuesday straight after Cyber Monday is known as Giving Tuesday, and we're not talking about giving gifts to other people, we're talking about giving to charity and helping charity. Because sometimes we forget and we spend a lot of money on things that we don't need when there are charities out there that we could be giving to. So you can talk to your tribe today about giving donations and how to find a charity to give donations to. So you could share our first resource, the Philanthropist's Guide to Selecting Meaningful Charities. Now, you don't have to be Bill Gates to be a philanthropist. You could discuss with your tribe what is the best charity to give to and why, in case there are people who are unsure of where to actually donate. And the second resource I would recommend you share today is how to make charitable donations. Now, by giving donations, you actually may be able to get tax benefits from that. So make sure that you talk to your accountant or the person who looks after your taxes, because then it is a double win. But I think it is important today to emphasize to people that we need to give to charity, because we've just passed Thanksgiving and hopefully we've been thankful for everything that we've had, but let's remember those who are less fortunate than us. December 7th is Letter Writing Day. What? What's a letter? Believe it or not, I have heard people say that to me. So a lot of people who were born in the last 15, 20 years may not even know what a letter is, or may not even write that often, because everything is done through WhatsApp, through iMessage, through Facebook Messenger, etc. And today you can encourage your tribe to show the value of writing. Not only because it's a beautiful art form, but also because it's very therapeutic. Now, the first resource that you could share, and definitely you could create a video on this, is 12 benefits of keeping a journal. So you could start with this resource to tell people about the benefits of keeping a journal, and then you could offer them your journal, which is, in this case, the Goal Setting Journal, which is an ideal resource to promote coming up to New Year and the new decade. Now, you could also then add a masterclass to this where you talk to them about goal setting for 2020 and how to use the journal effectively. And that could be a bonus when they actually buy the journal, or it could be an upsell. Now, before I forget, let me tell you about our bundles. For each and every holiday, we actually bundle together all of the resources for that particular day, and you can download them in one zip file at a discount. So let's say that the credit value of all of the resources is 30 credits. Well, with the bundle, you can get a discount of between 20 to 25%, sometimes even more, if you download the bundle. Now, December 10th is Human Rights Day, and while we have come a long way with human rights, there is still a lot of injustice in the world, and there's still a lot of people fighting for their human rights. So today is an important and very serious day where you can discuss this with your audience and see how they can help and progress the rights of humans. An ideal way to start today is to talk about a time when you yourself stood up for your rights or for the rights of others. And this could be in the workplace, this could have been in a relationship, or it could have been in your childhood. Encourage your tribe then to actually share their stories as well in a safe environment, And this could open up a very good discussion on what you can do to help others. So a very good reflection that you can share today is I stand up for myself. Because you see, many people don't stand up for themselves because they're afraid, because they don't know how to, and there's so many reasons. So looking at this affirmation reflection, people can then become stronger. And this could be the basis of, again, a personal coaching call. So download my free resource on I Stand Up For Myself. Reflect on what it means to you, and let's get on a call and let's build a strategy for you to become stronger. And the other resource I want to mention today is Assertiveness 101. Get what you want and others will like it. Being assertive is completely different to being pushy and aggressive. So this is talking about how to stand up for yourself, which ties into our reflection. And you could create a mini course out of this, a group coaching course out of this, or a series of lives or videos to help your tribe. And this leads us nicely into December 19th, Underdog Day, which is our final holiday in this video. Now, underdogs, you know the person everybody thinks they're not going to succeed and they work so hard and eventually they do succeed. I think there's probably a bit of the underdog in all of us who are striving to be better. So today's an ideal day to start talking about becoming better, to keep at it until you succeed, not to be knocked down. Make sure that you get up. And of course, this is all building up to what you will provide in the new year to your actual tribe. What about this resource? Fall 7 times and stand up 8. Because you know, you never actually fail until you give up. So this would be an excellent resource to share with your followers today to tell them, look, you may get knocked down, but you get up again. The time when you actually don't get up is the time that you fail. Maybe this is an opportunity then to say, well, if you are getting knocked down so many times, maybe you need to get on a strategy call to see what is not working and how I can guide you better. And maybe this is just what the person needs. So this is an amazing resource to start a conversation going. The problem for many people is that they get knocked down and they can't overcome the obstacles that they feel are constantly being put in front of them. So we have a full course about this called Overcoming Obstacles. Think about this. Maybe you could start off with Human Rights Day, talking about standing up for yourself, then talking about making sure that you always get up once you fall down, and then lead people into your course, Overcoming Obstacles, which you could provide offline in a seminar if you have time to arrange it for mid-January maybe. You could record it live starting on the 1st of January for action takers who want to overcome the obstacles to make 2020 the best year yet. Or you could pre-record it and then upload it onto a course website like Teachable or Udemy, etc. So look at the content that we provide, take it and make it your own. So talking about overcoming obstacles, it's time for me to put on my battle armor and go out and do some holiday shopping. As you can see, I'm getting into the mood and I have a couple of surprises coming up for our Christmas special. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click on the button to be notified when we actually upload our Christmas special video. And you're a member of PLR.me, right? Hold on a second. You're not a member of PLR.me yet? Oh no, oh dear. So click on the link that is in the description and that is appearing on screen now. You can go to PLR.me, sign up for a free account, no credit card required, and we'll actually give you 2 free credits a month to download some of our resources. So it's time for me to sign off. There'll be another video coming up in December, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and I'll talk to you in the next video.